Today, let's deal with the if function. How does an if condition play out in real life? Let's say we are dealing with a credit card company who offers us a discount or cashback only if we buy more than a particular amount using the card. So for example, if I buy using the card over and above 5,000 rupees, if I shop for more than 5,000 rupees, then only the card company gives me a cashback of about 5%. Right? So the condition here is my shopping should be more than 5,000 rupees. The result of this condition will be either true or false. That is, my shopping or my purchase amount will exceed 5,000 or it will not. That's the same way Excel lays out the if function. The if function in Excel reads like this. I start with if, then there is a opening bracket and I start with the condition. Now, after the condition, I separate it with a comma. Post the comma, I have to write what needs to be done if the condition is true. And then again, after one more comma, I have to specify what needs to be done if the condition is false or the result of the condition is false. The condition here will be the purchase amount which could be entered in a particular cell has to be more than 5,000 rupees. Whenever this condition is true, the discount will be equal to the purchase amount multiplied by 5%, which is the discount or the cashback percentage. If it is false, then it is 0. And I separate all these elements with a comma inside the if function. Now please note, you can have separate cells for all of these. Instead of writing 5,000 manually inside the if formula, you can define the 5,000 limit in a separate cell and then link it inside the formula. Similarly, you can mention or input the 5% discount or cashback amount in a separate cell and then link it inside the formula. It's a best practice never to include hard-coded numbers inside a formula. Instead, you should define them in separate cells and then include them in your formulas. So that is if function for you. What's the importance of if function? Most of the times, you can define a lot of actions or automated formulas in Excel using this formula. This is a very basic formula which goes a long way in automating your calculations. A lot of times, you can use the same formula to even build complex calculations like lookups, etc. However, there are separate formulas already defined or separate functions already defined for these actions. If is the basis of all of them. So that's the very important if function. It falls in the category of logical functions in Excel. The best way to understand if is you just start typing the formula which is equal to if, and Excel will prompt you with each of the fields and what is the significance of that field and how to go about punching numbers for that field. You can also use the shortcut, that is Shift F3, and Excel will give you a pop-up which describes each of the field in detail. The shortcut, remember, is Shift F3. That's the if function for you.